Got this premium stripper from Walmart. 1 quart costs about 10 bucks. Seems to be working great. Put 1 coat on and it gets off the majority of it.
Ratrod Bob Bill.
Then I come back 1 more coat. It's got some that it's still kind of tough, so 1 more coat to get the rest of it off. Okay, this is what it looks like after 1 coat of paint stripper. And then scrape it with a scraper. Then wipe off the excess with a rag and hit it with the wire wheel on a side grinder. And that's what you got. So, 2nd coat, paint stripper. Don't take long. You already see it starting to wrinkle up just in just a couple of minutes right there. So after about 10 minutes, let it sit for about 10 minutes, then this here will be ready to scrape off. Okay, I got most of the paint, or almost all the paint, stripped off the outside. It's got a lot of pitting. It's not going to come out, not without taking off a lot of the metal. I had to take off a lot of the metal to get that pitting out. So, having said that, I can't get the body to the bare metal look that I was wanting because of all the pitting in the metal. See, it's bad back here. I mean, it don't look bad like it is, but if you look at the cowl, it's really bad pitted. As a matter of fact, it got some where it's pitted all the way through the metal. It's got some holes in the metal. So there's no way I can get that down to bare metal without being too thin. So, by the way, I really appreciate all the comments on how to stop this rust on bare metal, and some of you guys had some good ideas. Okay, here's a piece of metal that I put outside. I put a line down the middle and I put oil. I heated up the metal real good with the heat gun first. Put oil on this side and then I put wax on this side. It's only been outside 3 or 4 days, so you can see that ain't gonna work. Not gonna work. One of you guys commented shark hide. I've done some research on shark hide. Looks like that would probably stop the rust. It's kind of expensive. But like I said, the problem is I can't get the look that I want. I can't get the look that I want because the metal's pitted up too bad. So, having said that, since it's going to be Red's car anyway, because he's going to be in the driver's seat more than anybody, except for when the car is actually running. He won't be in the driver's seat then, but when I bring it to anywhere I park at a show or whatever, I'm going to put Red over in the driver's seat. And so the car needs to match Red. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to give it this kind of bare metal look. So we're gonna rub silver all over the car, like I've been doing on all other cars, like I did this car. Paint it satin black, rub silver on it. That's what we're gonna do. That's what we're gonna do. That don't look too bad on this side, but that's just the good side. The front, the cowl, and the back's got some deep pits. Actually, some deep pits right there that I had to sand the metal down too thin of metal to get the pits out, so I don't want to do that. I mean, some pits, if I could get down to some pits, but I done grind it, and it ain't happening. Up here I ground a lot, and I can't get it the way I want it to look. So, yeah, we're gonna paint it satin black, rub silver over it, antique it with silver is what we're gonna do. Just want to let you guys know that. But I really appreciate all the comments on what to do, how to stop that rust. If I could have got it the way I looked and I wanted, I would probably try that shark hide. Done a test with a shark hide to see what will happen, but I can't get the look I want. So we're gonna be painting it. We're gonna paint it and make it look like bare metal, like red. It's gonna be Red's car anyway, so might as well make it look like him. All right, appreciate you.